Bumpers. 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 Noun. Definition: a horizontal bar fixed across the front or back of a motor vehicle to reduce damage in a collision. Example: she started the car with a jerk and hit the bumper of the car in front. Noun. Definition: another term for bouncer, sense 2. Example: sometimes he would bowl bumpers just for this purpose, even at his old mate. Noun. Definition: a generous glassful of an alcoholic drink, typically one drunk as a toast. Example: he who drank a bumper on his knees to the health of his mistress, was dubbed a knight for the evening. Adjective. Definition: exceptionally large, fine, or successful. Example: a bumper crop.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.